Hello and welcome to Module 4. This module focuses on purposefulness. A learning environment with a strong sense of purposefulness will see learners working with effort and energy to accomplish goals that connect to a meaningful purpose, and they are aware of their progress toward achieving these goals at all times. As you work through this module, we encourage you to think about how you're already integrating purposefulness into your classroom and how you can further incorporate the ideas and concepts in this module into your teaching and learning environment. This module looks at 4 learning targets. They are goal orientation, growth mindset, awareness of progress, and academic urgency. This week, you will explore all 4 of the learning targets. For each learning target, you will select 2 of the 3 options to read or watch for your exploration of each learning target. After you've explored each learning target, complete the circle, square, triangle reflection. In that reflection, you're going to answer the questions: what's swirling around in your brain? What 3 points that you want to remember? And what's squared with you today? Once you've completed the learning targets, you'll move on to artifacts. Please choose one of the artifacts to complete to demonstrate your learning for the module. You'll have 4 different choices, one for each learning target. The first one, for goal orientation, is using what you know about goal orientation, create or curate a goal setting template that's developmentally appropriate for your learners to work with. For growth mindset, we're going to ask you to help learners to use positive self-talk by creating or describing a lesson plan that supports learners in providing support and positive reinforcement. For awareness of progress, we're asking you to create a plan for implementing intentional checkpoints for learners to monitor their own progress on various goals. And finally, for academic urgency, we're asking you to create a set of standard operating procedures for the various modes of learning that take place in your classroom. Have a great week, celebrate what you're implementing in your classroom, and embrace the challenge to implement new ideas.